Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best BGA Rework Station on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. JCD8898. The JCD8898 is a multifunctional soldering station tailored for professionals and hobbyists, featuring a 750W hot air gun and an 80W soldering iron. Its compact design enhances workspace efficiency, while the wide temperature range of 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius accommodates various repair tasks, including BGA rework and PCB maintenance. The station's ergonomic controls facilitate user comfort during extended use, and it meets CE safety standards, ensuring reliable performance for intricate electronic repairs. Number 4. Lefevre 858D. The Lefevre 858D is a versatile hot air rework station ideal for precision soldering and BGA repair, catering to both professionals and hobbyists. It features a wide temperature range, 100 to 480 degrees Celsius, for various soldering tasks, a powerful hot air system for efficient operations, and multi-purpose capabilities beyond electronics repair. Optimized for BGA and SMD component repair, it supports customizable settings and operates safely without harmful chemicals. The product is CE, RoHS, and UL certified, ensuring quality and safety, and it boasts a compact, ergonomic design suitable for any workspace. Number 3. YIHUA 938BD2. The YIHUA 938BD2 is a professional-grade rework station tailored for precision soldering and BGA repairs, ideal for technicians, electronics professionals, and DIY enthusiasts. Key features include specialized capabilities for BGA and PCB repair, customizable operation settings, CE and UL certifications for safety, high-quality manufacturing by YIHUA, chemical safety, a user-friendly ergonomic design, and stable performance for consistent heating and control, minimizing damage to delicate components. Number 2. iShuan T3AT245. The iShuan T3AT245 is a compact and efficient soldering station ideal for professional electronics repair and precision tasks. It boasts a powerful 200W output for quick heating and stable temperatures, perfect for BGA repairs and mobile phone work. The adjustable temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius provides flexibility, while the 2.4-inch display enhances usability. Additional features include rapid temperature rise technology and a temperature memory function for improved workflow efficiency. Its lightweight design, 520G, and compact size, 145 by 110 by 54 mm, make it suitable for both desktop and portable use. Number 1. WEP862BD. The WEP862BD is a high-performance soldering and rework station tailored for electronics repair professionals and enthusiasts. It features a 720W power capacity for rapid heating and stable thermal performance. With a temperature range of 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, it is adaptable for various soldering tasks, including microchips and PCBs. The station also boasts a temperature compensation function to maintain consistent temperatures and a smart sleep mode that reduces temperature during idle times to conserve energy. The durable 131A heating element ensures quick heating and reliable operation. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.